Introducing SMART SoundLift, the wearable voice amplification solution built specifically for the smartboard ecosystem. Every student deserves to hear their lessons clearly, and every teacher deserves to end the day without a strained voice. Whether you are an administrator looking for a cost-effective audio upgrade or a teacher who needs to be heard from the back row, SoundLift integrates directly with your smartboard speakers to deliver pro-grade audio without the pro-grade price tag. Built for the rigors of the school day, SoundLift comes with 2 mics out of the box, allowing for educators to switch between speaking and student contributions. With 12 hours of total battery life and an approximate 98-foot range, you can move around the classroom without interruption. It's a simple deploy-ready solution featuring plug-and-play setup with IQ4 displays, meaning it can be easily controlled through your smartboard UI. Plus, it's retrofit-ready, so you can easily upgrade your current Smart MX and RX series boards without complex installations. Traditional classroom audio is often a choice between expensive, cable-heavy permanent hardware installations or feedback-prone portable mics. SoundLift eliminates the shouting match against classroom noise by ensuring that multimedia audio never competes with your instructions. To do this, SoundLift incorporates simultaneous audio pass-through. This means you can speak over a video or music without the lesson pausing. Paired with advanced feedback suppression, you can stand right next to the board and write while you speak with no screeching and no echoes. Smart Sound products ensure you're ready for the next generation of AI-powered classrooms. SoundLift offers more accurate recognition by transcription and translation software, making it easier to support diverse learners and keep everyone on the same page. For multilingual and hard-of-hearing learners, SoundLift helps them pick up phonetic nuances with crystal-clear audio distribution. That means learners of any background can catch every syllable, stay fully engaged without misunderstandings, and every student, regardless of where they sit, has an equal seat at the table. To learn more, go beyond the expected at smarttech.com.